Welcome. If you want to personalize notifications in your Motorola Moto E6 Play, at the first you have to move for the settings. Next, tap on apps and notifications. And right now let's enter right here. So we can change notifications on the lock screen, we can hide sensitive content, and when we scroll down we can find all apps. And if you want to turn off notifications from any app on your smartphone, you have to just simply click on the switcher into your application. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.